So thanks for showing up after lunch. Hope you won't sleep. So my team actually at Intel work a lot with customers and enterprises and our Intel partners, and we help them navigate with their AI solutions. And we work everywhere from the edge to the cloud and everywhere in between. But today's focus would be edge AI and what we can do with that and what enterprises are doing and why they are actually moving their AI workload to the edge. So let's learn a little bit about the edge. I'll talk about edge AI applications, OpenVINO. Why do you even need to care about OpenVINO, what it is? And also a deeper dive into enterprise intelligence, and basically we want to understand the challenges of enterprise AI, especially generative AI, and how we can help at Intel solve those issues, solve those problems. And then I also cover the flexible edge and cloud computing paradigm. So you may ask about edge versus cloud, so it's great to know that how we can maneuver between edge and cloud, and then I'll save some room for Q&A, obviously. So as you know, AI is everywhere from edge to cloud and everywhere in between, but since today's focus is edge, let's see why enterprises are moving their AI and also generative AI, including LLM and generative AI, to the edge these days. So there are advantages if you use edge, real-time data processing, for example, in manufacturing, in a lot of use cases that you need the answer right away. And wider reach, data, privacy and security is a very important matter these days. Also cost efficiency, because costs are much lower when you run your AI workload at the edge versus the cloud, especially when you're talking about large amount of videos, data, like such as videos. So there are a lot of different use cases that you can think of that is suitable for edge. One of them is frictionless retail, traffic monitoring, and defect detection. So these are the applications that need the answer right away in real time. They cannot wait for all the video streams, go to all the way to the cloud and come back. So we definitely want to do some of the process at the edge, very important. And then cross all these different sensors like depth camera, IP camera, NVR, and different sensors like smart homes. So these are some of the IoT and some of the applications that you can think of that runs perfectly at the edge.